Hey everybody, Tony from GenRight Off-Road, and we're talking about our Stage 1 JK Elite Suspension today. And this was particularly designed for anybody who's got a JK Rubicon. So you've got the factory 44s in there with lockers, and this makes a platform that's perfect for our Stage 1. So we replace the complete suspension that you have underneath there. You retain your factory coil springs and shocks. Everything else we replace. So you're gonna get a brand new flat belly. You're gonna get new cross members in there. You're gonna get new control arms that are thick wall with genuine Johnny joints. We correct all the geometry. That also includes steering with reed knuckles. It's chromoly high steer, so it lifts it all up, gets it out of the way. We also move the gas tank to the back. That's what allows us to do the flat belly skid in the middle. So you get the same breakover as all your friends with 40s, but you're on 37s. So it keeps the center of gravity low, makes it very drivable. So if this is an all-around daily driver for you, or if you just want superior performance off-road, where you're able to flex up through this stuff, because now you've got the bind-free 3-link front suspension and a double triangulated rear 4-link suspension. All right, one of the cool things about the Stage 1 JK Elite is that you keep whatever lift kit springs and typically shocks that you had on from the beginning. That's part of what lowers the cost. In this case, we're actually testing the Bilstein 8100. This is their double bypass tube here. These make it adjustable. So you have adjustable rebound, adjustable compression. I love the way that they package this. Being able to put the reservoir here on a single bolt mount that already existed. Everything about this bolts right in. And that is a very unique setup to have this kind of adjustability with a bolt-in package. So down the road, if you're looking for this kind of performance, this is a great option, and I've been very impressed with how well it worked. For more information on this Stage 1 kit or the other stages of our JK Elite Suspension System, go over to our website or feel free to call in and talk to one of our specialists.